Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is some snacks. It's super easy to make and super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need some pastry dough. Well, you have to roll it out and cut them into little squares. Mine are 4 centimeters. Then let's bake them. In an oven for 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Let it cool down, and meanwhile, let's do the ingredients. Cut cherry tomatoes into half, and when the dough is ready, cut it in half. Then add the cherry, then add some leaves. I'm using salad leaves. And 1/4 of it or half of the cheese. Now let's do also a sausage and then top it up with the dough. And on top, let's add half of a cherry. Then add a stick. I'm using plastic ones. Proceed to do the same thing and make all the snacks with all the ingredients till you run out. And now when you're done, you can plate them. This way, they look super cute, very easy to make, and super fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.